Hello everyone. Today I'm testing the DJI Neo at the impressive Millennium Monument in Bautzen. This monument honors Saints Cyril and Methodius. In 1980, Pope John Paul II declared them co-patrons of Europe. A local association in Bautzen built this monument in the holy year 2000. And here I am now, starting with the first flight mode, follow. The next mode is called Drohnie. The drone flies 10 meters away and then comes back. The DJI Neo handled it perfectly. Of course, the classic rocket mode can't be missed. In this mode, the drone flies straight up to 10 meters while spinning elegantly. Next, I moved a bit away from the monument to fly the drone safely. The next maneuver was a low circle at a distance of up to 6 meters. You have to be careful here to avoid crashing into anything. On open ground, I finally tested the Helix mode, a spiral flight up to 10 meters. After that, I moved closer to the monument and tried the Helix again, this time without the risk of a crash. The DJI Neo did an impressive job. Did anyone miss the descent in the rocket mode? Don't worry, I saved it for the end. By the way, in Drohnie and rocket mode, the DJI Neo splits the video in ascent and descent. That's it for my test at the Millennium Monument. Thank you for watching and greetings to everyone wherever you are.